7 Keys to Being an Independent Woman. Are you an independent woman? When you are independent, your success does not end. You achieve 1, 2, 3, the goals that you want. You do not depend on anyone to fight and achieve your dreams. Being strong makes you have one of the most appreciable qualities of any human being. If you consider that you still need to strengthen that attitude, it is not time to waste your time, but to take a step forward. The following keys will transform you. They will make you a strong and independent woman. Just what you are looking for. 1. No hairs on the tongue. Raise your voice. Express without fear what you think. Unlike your grandma, you have the ability to make yourself heard. Never let other people trample on you, let alone be silent. Arm yourself with value and criteria to give your opinion, offer ideas and change erroneous thoughts. You have the power. 2. Draw your way. Do you want to be a professional and a mother? Be the manager of a company? Whatever you want, fulfill it. The only roof is the sky. If your goal is to study, be a mother and also a wife, manager of the company where you work, who has told you that you cannot do it? Believe it is only in your heart. And if you have detractors whispering to your ear, show them what you are capable of. 3. Be free. Depending on your partner, the family is the easiest way, but being an independent woman is rewarding. Then, why not try it? If you are in that comfort zone, leave it and look for a job, social work, that makes you feel independent. One way to be free is when you earn your own money. Contribute to the expenses of your home and then, dispose of as you want what is left. You will perform as a person. 4. Stability. When one is independent, every woman must find in her home more than a physical place. Your home is your refuge, it is where you find emotional stability. It is the place where you recover strength to face the challenges of every day. For that reason, it is important that your home has a pleasant atmosphere. 5. Go ahead and travel alone. I plan a trip to New York and I want the day to come. Yes, do not be afraid to travel alone, save money and go to that place you want so much to go to. Meet new cities, cultures, people. It is one of the most rewarding and learning experiences you can give yourself. It's a way to show yourself that you're independent. 6. Get up. You're human, that's why you make mistakes. If you make a mistake, cry, analyze, but wipe away the tears and get up. The real success is to walk from one failure to another with enthusiasm, Churchill said. 7. Do not neglect yourself. Not only in your physical aspect but also in the emotional one. All these previous keys will help you not to do it. Your value does not depend on what you have in your bank account or in your pants pocket, your true value is in your heart. In what you are able to demonstrate to be independent. Professional, mother, wife, aunt, sister, best friend at the same time. How much are you willing to give to be strong and independent? Do you want to be? Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.